Don't get ghosted by a buyer. Let's break down why your listing better delivers in today's market. Otherwise, buyers will ghost you. Today's buyers are picky. First, they are not browsing, they are judging. Every home is under the microscope. Here's what they are analyzing the second they walk in or scroll online. Is the layout open, or does it feel like a maze from 1994? Are there updates, or are we talking beige tile in brass features? And don't even mention popcorn ceilings. Today's buyers are savvy and educated. They have seen what's possible on social media. If your house doesn't compete virtually and emotionally, they are out. Next, they are buying of lifestyle, not just a house. Buyers care about how the space feels. Will it accommodate a home office, a backyard that screams summer barbecues, a smart thermostat, solar panels, and EV charging? The pickiest buyer buy with emotion first and justify it with logic later. If they don't feel it within 30 seconds, there will be no offer, no second showing, and no chance. Remember, staging, lighting, and telling a story matters. They want all the feels when they walk in the door. Yes, it's competitive, but as a seller, it's your time to showcase your property. And if you think you don't need video, staging, and social media, you are wrong. Your listing will sit. I will show you exactly how I market homes to win the attention of even the most selective, luxury minded, and pickiest buyers. So if you are thinking about selling now, 6 months from now, or next year, don't wait. Let's connect. Our track record speaks for itself. Being a top producer in real estate year after year has given me an unmatched understanding of what buyers are looking for. My team and I will make sure you are set up to make a smart, confident move when the times is right. Talk to you soon.